Good morning, one and all, and once again, welcome to Echelon Tutorials. And I'm Pankaj, sir, and I'm going to continue with our session on David Reyner's solution. Okay, so remember we were doing a David Reyner book solution. Okay, and we had started with the chapter functions, right? And we had already covered, I think, some 14, 15 questions. Okay, so now today we are going to start with question number 16. That is this question number 16. Okay, now find a f of 5, f of minus 5, and f of 1 by 4. Okay, and B and C. Okay, so you have to find out this A, B, C. And okay, so this is that question for question number 16, 17, and 18. The functions are, these are the functions that you have to consider. Okay, so let me first write down these functions for you. Okay, so the functions that we will have to take is f. This is the notation of functions. So f and yeah, fine. So this is one notation, f semicolon x and then an arrow mark 1 minus 2x. Now this is one way of denoting functions. There's another way also, and that is the same thing can be denoted this way also. F of x is equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay, this is the way also, this is also the way we can denote a function. Okay, so whether this or this, one and the same. So I'll be sticking to this, f of x equal to 1 minus 2x. Similarly, this g of x will be equal to, it is x cube upon 10, I suppose. Yes, it is x cube upon 10. Okay, and h of x is given as 12 upon x, right? So question number 16 says that find 16a. 16a says that find f of 5, f of minus 5, and f of 1 by 4. Okay, so let us find one by one. So this is basically plugging the values of x, okay, in the various functions. So it is f of 5. So we'll take this f of x is equal to 1 minus 2x. Therefore, f of 5 should be 1 minus 2 into 5. So all you have to do is in place of x, you have to plug in the value 5. Now this should work out to 1 minus 10, which is equal to minus 10. So this is the answer for f of 5. Similarly, f of minus 5 should be 1 minus 2 times minus 5. That's equal to 1 plus 10, which is equal to 11. Then f of 1 by 4 should be 1 minus 2 times 1 by 4. That works out to 1 minus half. That works out to half. Okay. So these are the answers, okay, for 16a. Now let us work out 16b. 16b, you have to work out g of 2 and then g of minus 3 and g of half. Okay. So g of 2 will be equal to, now you will have to take this function g of x. So what is g of x? G of x is basically given as x cubed by 10. Okay. So g of 2 will be 2 cubed divided by 10, which is equal to 8 upon 10. 8 upon 10, which is nothing but 0.8. And g of minus 3 should be minus 3 raised to 3 upon 10. So minus 3 will be minus into minus into minus will be minus 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Yes. minus 27 upon 10. That should work out to minus 2.7. And g of half should be half raised to 3 upon 10, which works out to 1 by 8 into 1 by 10, which is 1 by 80. Okay. Right. So these are the answers for this A, B, and now let us work out answer for C. Okay. So for C, let us work out the answers for C as well. Okay. So C in D okay is h of 3 and then h of 10 and h of by 3. So to find the values of these, we'll have to go into the h function. So h of x is 12 upon x. So yeah, h of 3 should be 12 upon 3. That's equal to 4. And yeah, h of 10 should be 12 upon 10. Should be 1 by 2. And h of 1 by 3 should be 12 upon 1 by 3, which is equal to 12 into 3, which is equal to 36. Okay, so those were the answers for 16C, and I think 16th question has been done. Now let us go for the 17th one. So for the 17th, I'll do one thing. I'll have to again. Okay, now 17th, right? Okay, so question number 17th, what you have to do is find A. 17A is you have to find x if f of x is equal to 1, isn't it? Right. Now what is f of x? Now if we go back, f of x is sorry. Now for this 17th question, yeah, again f of x is 1 minus 2x. Okay, so we know that f of x is 1 minus 2x. Okay, now they are saying that f of x is equal to 1, so you can say 1 minus 2x is equal to 1. So what will be x? So from here you can find out the x. Okay, so x will be how much? Will be 1 minus 1 equal to 2x, 0 equal to 2x. So this implies that x is equal to 0. So the answer for 17A is x equal to 0. Okay, this is done. Now 17B says that find x if f of x is equal to minus 11, right? Minus 11. So again, we know that f of x is equal to 1 minus 2x, and this will equate to minus 11. Okay, now from here, let us find out x. So this implies 1 plus 11 equal to 2x. Okay, this is 12 equal to 2x. This means x is equal to 6. Okay, so that's the answer for this B part. Let us do this C. C says that find x if h of x, now it is h of x equal to 1. Okay, h of x equal to, we know h of x is equal to 12 upon x. Am I right? H of x is, yeah, 12 upon x. It is 12 upon x. and this is given to you as 1. Okay. So if h of x is equal to 1, what will be x? So you have to just find out x equal to 10. Okay. So that is also done. So question number 17 ABC is also done. Now let us go for 18. So question number 18. Okay. The A part of the question is find y if g of y is 100. So g of y is equal to 100 is given. Now what is g of y? Our g function was g was this one. Okay, x cube upon 10. Okay, so g function is x cube upon 10, right? So g of y is equal to x cube upon 10. Okay, is it g of y? We check. Question number 18, right? For 16, 17, 18, G, okay. Fine. They have changed the variable to y. So g of y is 100, okay? So anyways, let us proceed. So g of y is 100. So this can I equate it to 100? Yeah, okay. So your x cube will be equal to 1000. And that makes your x equal to 10. But have they asked you to find out x or y? Let me check the question again. Okay. Find y if g of y is 100. Okay. And they have changed the variables over here. Okay. So g of y is equal, find y if g of y is equal to 100. Okay, let me check the answer for this and I'll get back to you on this. Okay. This is a question which has a little bit of doubt in my mind. Okay. So we'll get back to this once I clarify this talk. Okay. So till then, see you. Goodbye. Take care, all of you.